Welcome back to the show. This is the continuation of the previous episode where I talked about Ladakh and China border history, and in that episode I had explained about what happened until the Indo-China War of 1962, and in this episode I will be explaining what happened after the Indo-China War, and I will also be covering the importance of that is the strategic importance of Ladakh and Siachen for India. So Ladakh is actually a cool dry place, and grass even does not grow there. No one thought that two big countries would be fighting for this small piece of land. Indian independence was actually a legal act, and the UK Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act of 1947. We all know that the state of Jammu and Kashmir became a part of India after the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir signed it off to India. The two neighboring countries, Pakistan and China, did not intend to respect this legal position. Pakistan invaded Kashmir within 3 months of independence, and China began constructing a road through Aksai Chin, which is in the northeastern part of Ladakh. Knowing that India did not like military retaliation, China kept expanding its presence in Aksai Chin. Aksai Chin is in the eastern Kashmir, which is now occupied by China. The Indian borders were based on the negotiations during British rule. This was accepted by China in its official maps. The postal atlas of China that the pre-communist Chinese government published up to early 1930s showed Aksai Chin as a British Indian territory. In addition, China pressurized Pakistan to give Shaksgam Valley in 1963, which is 1 year after getting hold of Aksai Chin. Moreover, it is also important to note that the Xinjiang region, which is a part of Aksai Chin, has become very important to China for its internal reasons, and China has been making advancements along the line of actual control for the past 6 decades based on changing perceptions about new strategic or tactical vantage points in the local geography. The Siachen Glacier sets apart central China from the Indian subcontinent and separates Pakistan from China in the region. The Saltaro Ridge of the Siachen Glacier serves as a divide that prevents direct linking of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir with China, thereby stopping them to develop geographical military linkages in the area. Siachen also serves as a watchtower for India to keep a watch on Gilgit and Baltistan regions of Pakistan. If Pakistan or China gets the location advantage in Ladakh, it would become a big threat to Kashmir from Pakistan in the west and Chinese threats from Aksai Chin in the east. Siachen also helps India to keep a close watch on China's activities, as the country has vastly improved its infrastructure in this region. China has developed all-weather rail and road links in the Shaksgam region that was given to China by Pakistan in the 1960s. So not having enough military power in Ladakh region would actually have strengthened the Sino-Pakistan footprint on these strategic heights. Up to 2013, India's infrastructural development in that area was very minimal, and after 2013, India started pushing for infrastructure projects in that area, and by 2015, it became a major defense priority. China fears that India's emphasis on infrastructural projects in that area, that is in the areas near the line of actual control in Ladakh and the line of control in both Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, are a part of a long-term military strategy. Such building of infrastructure by India and the removal of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir last year are the reasons why India and China are having a lot of border issues now. From China's point of view, they may have assumed that if India makes Ladakh as a union territory, then India would be reasserting its control over the entire state. So this is the history of Ladakh and its border issue with China. Hope these 2 episodes were very much informative, and stay connected with us for more such episodes. This is Nisha.